NSO Class 6, Physical Change, Chemical Change, Desirable and Undesirable Changes. Study the given Venn diagram carefully and identify 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 is the combination of desirable change and non-periodic change. What is desirable change? The change which we desire is called desirable change. Example, ripening of fruits. And what is non-periodic change? The change which do not occur for a specific time. Example, preservation of food. We do not have control or a specific deadline for eating it, isn't it? Now let us see which comes correct for the one. Curdling of milk is desirable but periodic. And melting of ice, it is also desirable and periodic. Preservation of food items, it is desirable and non-periodic. So we can keep a dot here. Rising and setting of sun, it is desirable and periodic because it happens regularly. Second is a combination of desirable change and slow change. What is slow change? The change which happens slowly is called slow change. Example, rusting. So, ripening of fruits is a desirable change but a fast change. So, it won't come. Cutting of trees is undesirable change and fast change. So, it also won't come. Change of season is desirable and slow change. So, let's keep a dot here. Burning of cooking gas, it is desirable and fast change. So, it also won't come. 3 is a combination of non-periodic change and undesirable change. What is undesirable change? The change which we do not desire is called undesirable change. So here, high and low tide, it is undesirable change and it is periodic change. Okay, so it won't come. Inflation of tires, it is undesirable change and it is non-periodic change. So let's keep a dot here. Eruption of volcanoes, it is undesirable change and it is non-periodic change. So let's keep a dot here. And earthquake is a undesirable change and non-periodic change. So we can keep dot here also. And fourth is a combination of slow change and undesirable change. Bursting of crackers is desirable change and fast change. So it won't come. Bursting of balloon is undesirable change and fast change. So this also won't come. Rusting of iron is undesirable change and slow change. So it comes. So we can keep a dot here. And burning of paper is undesirable change but fast change. So it won't come. And the right answer is option C.
Let's look into another question. Study the given Venn diagram. Desirable, chemical and physical change. 1 is the combination of desirable and physical change. What is physical change? Physical change is a change where no new substances are formed. Chemical change is a change where new substances are formed. Let's look into one first. Desirable and physical change. Freezing of ice cream is desirable and physical change. So it will come. Ripening of fruits is desirable and chemical change. So it won't come. Because new substances, fruit is formed. Breaking of pencil is undesirable and physical change. So it won't come. Crumpling of paper is also undesirable and physical change. So it won't come. So answer is option A only. But we will look into all the options. What is 2? 2 is the combination of desirable and chemical change. Ripening of fruits is a desirable and chemical change. So it will come. Melting of ice cream is a desirable and physical change because no new substances are formed in that. So it won't come. Cooking of food is a desirable and chemical change. So it will come. Melting of ice cream is desirable and physical change. So it won't come. So what is 3? 3 is the combination of chemical and physical change. Only the burning of candle in option A it will come because in the burning of candle, when the candle burns, the change in state of wax represents physical change, and when the candle burns, the new substances like carbon dioxide, heat and light is produced, no, so it is chemical change. So the combination of both physical and chemical change represent only the burning of candle. So option A is the answer. Thank you. Study the given Venn diagram. 1 is the combination of desirable and physical change. 2 is the combination of desirable and chemical change. And 3 is the combination of chemical and physical change. 1, 2 and 3 are respectively. Let's look into 1 first. Desirable and physical change. Freezing of ice cream is desirable and physical change. Physical change means no new products will be formed. So, freezing of ice cream will come. Ripening of fruits is desirable and chemical change, so it will not come. Breaking of pencil is undesirable and physical change, so it will not come. And crumpling of paper is undesirable and physical change, and it will not come. So freezing of ice cream will come. Option A is the answer, but let me explain all this. 2 is the combination of desirable and chemical change. Ripening of fruits is desirable and chemical change, it will come. Melting of ice cream is desirable and physical change, so it will not come. Cooking of food is desirable and chemical change, it will come. Chemical change means where new products will be formed in the changes, so it will come. Melting of ice cream is desirable and physical change, so it will not come. So these two will come for 2. 3 is the combination of chemical and physical change. That will be satisfied only by burning of candle, because when the change in physical state of wax represents a physical change here, and when the candle burns, the new product like carbon dioxide, heat and light are formed, no, that is chemical change. So answer is option A. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. See, rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is chemical change and irreversible change. Irreversible change means we cannot change back to original position. And expansion of metal rim is physical change and reversible change. And sharpening of pencil is physical change and irreversible change. And cooking of food is chemical change and irreversible change. So answer is option B. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. Column 1, column 2. Changes, types of changes. Rusting of iron is chemical change as well as irreversible change, because it cannot be changed back to original position. Expansion of metal rim is physical change and as well as reversible change, because when we expand it can be contracted back to original position. Sharpening of pencil is physical change and irreversible change. Physical change means where no new products are formed. Cooking of food. Cooking of food is a chemical change because new product food is formed, as well as irreversible change. It cannot be changed back to raw food. Study the given Venn diagram carefully and fill in the blanks by selecting an appropriate action. 1. Which is 1 here? Rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is a physical change? No, it's a chemical change, so it will not come. So, undesirable change? Yes. We don't desire for the iron to rust, so this will come. And it's a chemical change, so it will also come. So chemical change, it will come. Then what is 2? 2 is whether the rusting of iron is periodic change or non-periodic change? It's a non-periodic change. So it will come. Reversible change? No. Rusting of iron cannot be reversed. Is it desirable change? No, we don't desire for iron to get rust. Irreversible change. Yes. Rusting of iron cannot be reversed. 3. What is 3? Making curd from milk. Is that periodic change? No, it's non-periodic change, so it will not come. Desirable change? Yes, we do desire to make curd from milk, so it will come. And periodic change? No, making curd from milk is non-periodic change. And periodic change? No, it will not come. What is 4? 4 is ripening of fruits. Ripening of fruit is slow change, as well as ripening of fruit is desirable change also. So option B is the answer.